Hey friends and family, this is SP News Nuggets, and today you guys, we're going to be talking about, well, I've got a video to share with you. They're shutting Jefferson County down. They're shutting it down. You guys, you got to hear what all the new laws is down there, and I'm going to share with you. Here we go.
We're ready for you.
Okay. Everybody ready? Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to update you on the COVID-19 outbreak here in Jefferson County and talk about some changes that we're going to be making. Many people have been very busy over the weekend addressing this problem. Our own disease control staff, under the leadership of Dr. Williford behind me, have been following up on people confirmed to have COVID-19 and tracking down their contacts and getting them tested. We have been issuing quarantine orders to those people who are positive or who have been in direct contact. Multiple other efforts are in motion at the health department and throughout our community to address this problem. As of 4 o'clock this afternoon, we are aware of 17 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jefferson County. Based on our initial disease investigations, we do believe that we now have community spread within Jefferson County. This number 17, we are certain that it is a major underrepresentation of what is actually going on in our community. We believe there are many more cases that we have not detected. I want to stress the importance of us taking this very seriously. The numbers of cases are likely to double approximately every 2 days if we do not take swift and very deliberate action to try to slow the spread and stop the spread and give our public health officials, all of our partners, time to get this under control, to track down those people that have it, to get the testing done, to get more people identified, to track down all their contacts and try to contain this. So in the meantime, we need to take drastic efforts to avoid contact with one another, contact with people that might have the disease, so we can slow down the spread. To that end, and with the authority that is given to me as county health officer, we are ordering several things to happen, and I'm going to summarize those for you. Copies of these will be given to the media and posted so that anybody in the public can see them. Number 1, effective Tuesday, March 17th, all gatherings of 25 persons or more or of any size that cannot maintain a consistent 6-foot distance between persons are prohibited until further notice. This is throughout Jefferson County. Number 2, effective Tuesday, March 17th, all senior citizens center gatherings shall be closed. We are urging senior citizen centers and their partners to be sure that their clients continue to get needed meals via curbside pickup or delivery. Number 3, effective Tuesday, March 17th, all nursing homes, long-term care facilities shall prohibit visitation from all visitors and non-essential personnel except for certain compassionate care situations such as end of life. Effective Thursday, March 19th, all of the following shall be closed until April 6th. Private schools, all grades through the 12th grade. Preschools and child care centers with 12 or more children. Prior to April 6th, we will reevaluate this, and this is a timeline that is consistent with the public school system. Number 5, effective Tuesday, that's tomorrow, March 17th, any restaurant, bar, brewery, or establishment that offers food or drink shall not permit on-premises consumption of food or drink for 1 week. This order shall be reevaluated prior to the end of that week, which would be March 24th, for possible modification. Such establishments may continue to offer food for takeout or delivery or curbside pickup. We are strongly encouraging all food establishments, all restaurants, to offer online ordering and curbside pickup. I will just add that I'm also encouraging all of you in the public to support those food establishments, either by ordering food and picking it up or buying gift cards. We want to keep them open, but not, as I said, no eating on those premises. One exception, hospital food service areas are excluded from this order, provided they have an appropriate social distancing plan of their own. And we already know that our hospitals are addressing that. That is the extent of the orders from now, but I will say that these are orders, these are legally binding, and they may be enforced. I know that this has a big impact on our community. It's quite restrictive. The 25 number has been gradually going down. You may recall that last week I recommended that it be 500. We've come a long way since then. We were thinking 50 yesterday, and then we got to 25 this morning. You may know that President Trump mentioned 10 just a couple of hours ago. I believe, as far as I understand, that is guidance. But this is an order that's legally binding. I would also just like to add that because this is going to have a big impact on our community, we need to really all come together. We need an all-hands-deck on approach. We need all of our philanthropic community, our nonprofit community, churches, everybody to help support one another, help keep our businesses alive, help check on those who are more vulnerable. I'm asking everybody to be a good neighbor and watch out for your neighbors. We can control this. We can get on top of this. We all have to work together. We are not victims here. We can make a big difference in the outcome of this, but we must act now. In view of the fact that we are all working as partners, I'm going to introduce some of our partners that are with county government and the United Way to speak to you briefly. I will also mention that earlier today I had a call with all of our mayors and county commissioners and other elected officials that are representing Jefferson County to go over these new orders, and we got some input and some feedback, but we're all on board with this. So to that end, I'm going to introduce Mayor Gary Richardson, who is president of the Mayor's Association for Jefferson County. Mayor?
Thank you, Dr. Wilson. The coronavirus does not recognize any jurisdictional boundaries. This is not only a Jefferson County problem, it's an all of us problem, and all of us need to work together to ensure that this virus does not spread any more than it has. We want to recognize the guidance of the Jefferson County Health Department and rest assured that the Jefferson County mayors are doing everything they can to ensure that this virus does not spread.
Thank you, Mayor. Next, I want to introduce Sheriff Mark Petway.
Good afternoon. I'm Sheriff Mark Petway, and we stand in support of Dr. Wilson and the Health Department. We're here to help make sure that those laws that he spoke of are enforced. Now, we have an opportunity to tell you some things that we're going to be doing in the sheriff's office. Spokesperson Deputy Chief AG will come forward and give you some information concerning the sheriff's office.
Hey there, listeners. Are you looking for authentic design from brands like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Coach, Gucci, Michael Kors, and so much more at a price that you can actually afford? Well, let me introduce you to Nora's Authentic Designer handbags, shoes, and accessories, where we have designs to meet all of your needs. All items are 100% authentic, brand new, and being sold at prices you don't want to miss out on. Find us on tradesy.com, at Nora's915, or email us at norasauthenticdesign@gmail.com.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be reading from a prepared statement. At the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, we take the health and safety of the public seriously. We want to reassure our citizens that we will continue to provide our county with law enforcement services without interruption. We are currently addressing the areas which may require special attention due to the circumstances created by COVID-19 virus. As a service to the community, we have developed a free online app to ensure that we may limit any disruption in the services we offer to our citizens. Through this free application, citizens will be able to perform the following tasks: apply for a pistol permit, search for an inmate in one of our facilities, search for sex offenders in the area, submit a non-emergency tip, locate needed phone numbers within the department, provide feedback to our department. In addition, the public can receive public alerts as well as keep up with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office social media activity and latest news headlines. We want to reassure our citizens that the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office will continue to provide the county with law enforcement services, again, without interruption. We are taking preventative measures in our jails to combat the spread of this virus. We are checking incoming inmates for fever and flu-like symptoms. Medical isolation is available if necessary. We continue to perform intense cleaning of our facilities, including phones, tablets, and all common areas and surfaces. We have instructed our deputies to wear protective gear and follow preventive procedures when contacting the public. We appreciate your understanding that by following the measures set forth by our medical professionals, we will be doing our part in providing the services needed to protect our citizens, as well as our staff.
Hey there, listeners. Are you looking for authentic design from brands like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Coach, Gucci, Michael Kors, and so much more at a price that you can actually afford? Well, let me introduce you to Nora's Authentic Designer handbags, shoes, and accessories, where we have designs to meet all of your needs. All items are 100% authentic, brand new, and being sold at prices you don't want to miss out on. Find us today on tradesy.com, at Nora's915, or email us at norasauthenticdesign@gmail.com.
Hey! Yeah. You know what? I like to play this. No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play it.